Welcome back, guys. Today, we're checking out the best Amazon cooking gadgets that will save you time, space, and hassle. Whether you're a pro chef or just love easy cooking, these tools are going to change the way you cook forever. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This rotary cheese grater is designed to make shredding, slicing, and grating effortless. Featuring 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, this versatile kitchen tool allows you to create fine or coarse shreds, thin slices, and even julienne cuts with ease. The ergonomic rotary handle ensures smooth operation, while the strong suction base keeps the grater stable on your countertop. Whether you're grating cheese, slicing vegetables, or shredding nuts, this durable and easy-to-use kitchen gadget saves you time and effort. This electric French fry cutter takes the hassle out of slicing potatoes, making it effortless to create perfectly cut fries in seconds. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this powerful cutter features a robust motor and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, ensuring uniform cuts every time. Whether you're preparing fresh homemade fries for your family or streamlining food prep in a commercial kitchen, this cutter delivers precision and speed. This electric deep fryer is the ultimate kitchen companion for effortless deep frying. Designed for convenience, it maintains the perfect frying temperature automatically, eliminating the guesswork. With a 4:4 oil-to-food ratio, it ensures crispy, delicious results while using less oil. The non-stick surface inside and out makes cleaning a breeze, and the snap-on lid allows you to store oil for future use, reducing waste. Compact yet powerful, this deep fryer is perfect for frying French fries, chicken, shrimp, and more with minimal mess. This automatic can opener is designed for effortless, smooth, and safe can opening. With its advanced auto stop function, it automatically halts once the can is fully opened, preventing spills and ensuring precision. The Ultra Blade technology delivers clean, smooth edges, eliminating sharp and jagged cuts for safer handling. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for all ages. Whether in a busy kitchen or for daily convenience, this electric can opener offers hassle-free operation with just the push of a button. This eggshell opener is the perfect kitchen tool for effortlessly cracking and peeling eggs with precision. Designed for both soft-boiled and hard-boiled eggs, it ensures a clean break every time, eliminating messy shell fragments. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, just place, lift, and release for a flawless cut. Whether you're preparing breakfast, salads, or gourmet dishes, this tool saves time and effort, giving you perfectly cracked eggs in seconds. This omelet maker makes cooking effortless and enjoyable. Designed for convenience, this compact appliance allows you to prepare perfectly fluffy omelets and delicious frittatas in just minutes, without the hassle of flipping or messy cleanups. The non-stick cooking surfaces ensure easy food release and quick cleaning, while the dual compartments let you cook 2 servings at once. With its indicator lights for power and readiness, this user-friendly maker guarantees perfectly cooked results every time. Whether you're making a protein-packed breakfast or a savory snack, this omelet and frittata maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen. This semi-automatic whisk makes mixing effortless with its push-down spring mechanism, eliminating the need for batteries or electricity. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while its semi-automatic function allows for fast and efficient whisking. Perfect for blending eggs, cream, sauces, and more with minimal effort. This electric knife is designed to deliver effortless precision and smooth slicing for all your kitchen needs. Featuring a powerful motor and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it glides through meats, bread, and even crafting materials with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. With a simple one-touch operation, you can achieve professional quality cuts at home. Whether you're carving a holiday roast or slicing homemade bread, this electric knife enhances efficiency and control. This milk frother is the perfect addition to your coffee routine, delivering barista-quality foam with ease. Designed for versatility, it offers 4 functions: heating milk, creating hot dense foam, hot airy foam, and cold froth. Ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and iced coffee. This milk frother features a user-friendly one-button operation, ensuring effortless frothing with just a touch. With rapid heating and quiet operation, enjoy rich, creamy froth in seconds. This salad spinner is the perfect kitchen tool for effortlessly washing and drying your greens, fruits, and vegetables. Designed with high-quality stainless steel, it ensures durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. The efficient spinning mechanism quickly removes excess water, keeping your salads crisp and fresh. The non-slip base provides stability, while the ergonomic handle ensures smooth operation. Ideal for home cooks and professionals, this salad spinner makes meal prep easier and more convenient. This egg cooker is the ultimate kitchen companion for effortless egg preparation. Designed with a 7-egg capacity, this electric cooker lets you make perfectly cooked eggs every time. Whether you prefer hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled, or even omelets. With its one-touch operation, you can enjoy delicious eggs without the hassle of boiling water or guessing cooking times. This bread slicer is the perfect tool for slicing homemade bread with precision and ease. Designed with a high-density HDPE base, it ensures durability and stability while cutting, preventing splintering for a smooth and safe experience. The maple finger guide adds an extra touch of convenience, keeping your slices uniform every time. Whether you're working with sourdough, banana bread, or any homemade loaf, this slicer makes the process effortless. Enjoy bakery-quality slices at home with this reliable and easy-to-use bread slicing guide. This electric tray is designed to make cooking for the whole family quick and effortless. Featuring a large non-stick cooking surface, it allows you to prepare multiple servings at once, perfect for pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more. The built-in warming tray keeps food at the ideal temperature while you finish cooking, ensuring every bite is hot and delicious. With adjustable temperature control, you can easily customize the heat for precise cooking results. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this versatile electric griddle is a must-have for any kitchen. This meat tenderizer is designed to take your cooking to the next level. Featuring 56 ultra-sharp stainless steel needles, this powerful tool effortlessly pierces through tough cuts of meat, breaking down fibers for enhanced tenderness and faster marination. Whether you're preparing steaks, chicken, pork, or roasts, this tenderizer helps reduce cooking time and ensures juicy, flavorful results every time. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use with minimal effort. This Mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make food prep quicker and easier. With adjustable settings, it allows you to slice fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients with precision and consistency. Whether you need thin slices for salads or thicker cuts for stir-fries, the slicer can be easily adjusted to meet your needs. The slicer features sharp, stainless steel blades that effortlessly glide through food, providing smooth, even cuts every time. The non-slip base ensures stability, allowing for safe and efficient use. Additionally, the included cut-resistant gloves helps protect your hands while slicing, making it an essential tool for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Compact and easy to clean, this Mandolin slicer fits seamlessly into any kitchen and is ideal for those looking to speed up meal prep without compromising on quality. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.